What's going on, and welcome back. Guys, it is crunch time. Mustang week is right around the corner, and I've got to get this thing cleaned up. It is filthy dirty inside and out, so I got to get started. I wanted to talk about a couple things with Mustang week. There is a lot of concern about the weather, but we're going to be there. We're going to bring you content as much as possible. This car is going to go in the rain. I don't care. I'm going to be out there and filming. A lot of people are complaining about it actually on Facebook that I've seen. So, I keep telling them, it could change at any minute. This is South Carolina, kind of a tropical type weather area, however you want to call it. So, but they're concerned about the hurricane, and I understand that, and that's justifiable, but it could change at any minute. A lot of people are freaking out. Oh, it's going to come right towards South Carolina. We don't even know yet. So, but anyway, I just want to let y'all know that we are still going, and we are going to bring the content. I don't care what it takes. I'll stand out in the rain. I don't care. So, with that being said, today is Friday. Tomorrow, Speed Addict 731 will be here. We do plan on going live. He mentioned it in his live stream this past Thursday. So we do plan on going live. We don't know exactly what time yet. We haven't discussed it. Things have been hectic and busy, so we're not sure, but keep a lookout. I believe he's going to update on his Instagram. I'm not sure if we're going live on his channel or on my channel, or maybe even both. I don't even know if that's possible. Maybe we'll find out. But anyway, got to get this car cleaned up. I wanted to give you guys an update on where we're at and what's going on. The weather is supposed to be like super nice here tomorrow and Sunday. So I don't know, hopefully when we get to the beach it won't be just pure rain. But like I said, it's not going to stop me. I'm still going to go out to the meets, still going to go out to the events and get the coverage that I can get. So stay tuned to the channel, and I'll bring you everything I possibly can. Alright, so I can't make this video just completely of you watching me clean the car, but I did want to offer my little tidbit for cleaning the interior, and mainly the tinted windows. Now, you don't want to use anything harsh or abrasive on tinted windows, so I'll show you what I use. That's just a bucket of water. Let's put your rag in it. Get it wet, wring it out. And all we're gonna do is wipe the window. Just wipe it down good, and you'll want to use, this is a terry cloth, but you want to use something soft. I mean, terry cloth isn't too bad, but microfiber may be better. Then you want to take your dry microfiber or towel, whatever you're using, and just wipe it off. I've been doing it this way for years, and it works every time. Doesn't leave streaks. As long as your windows aren't like filthy dirty and like that, which I mean mine aren't filthy, but there you go. That's my little tip. Nice and clean. So just water, wet rag, then a dry rag. And also I do that on the rest of my interior as well. Just a wet rag, wipe everything down real good, and follow it immediately with a dry rag. Doesn't leave any streaks, doesn't leave any residue, anything like that. Just nice and clean. So let me get to it. one other thing I wanted to show you guys is my tire letters. On camera, a lot of times they don't look too bad, you know, if I'm further back from them. If you get up close, I mean, they are dirty. You can see that. And I just wanted to show you real quick what I use to clean them up. They are quite dirty. So what I use for that is some isopropyl alcohol and a rag. Just wipe it on and wipe it off. Pretty simple, but usually cleans them up really well, so I'll show you that. All right, so that is it for tonight. Got the interior cleaned up. It's looking pretty good. Did get these letters looking good on this one. Still got to work on the others, but I think I'm gonna call it a night for tonight because I worked today and I'm tired. So tomorrow we'll get back at it. We'll do the exterior, give it a nice wash, and prepare for Speed Addict 731 and family to come by and hang out with us and go live and talk to you guys. So anyway, that is it for this evening. I'm tired, but I'm excited. Trying to stay motivated, but it's hard. But anyway, hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. And we'll see you on the next one.